Kylene Alcantara is among the local personalities who recently attended the opening of luxury boutique Corso Como 88 in Makati City. In an Instagram post, the Shining Inheritance star shared photos of herself looking stunning in her dark gold halter dress. She also got to bond with various personalities at the event, including Sofia Andres, Team Yap, and more. "Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be," she wrote in the caption. Aside from this, the Kapuso actress also posted a video that showed some fun moments of the event. Apart from Kylene, Kapuso stars Rian Ramos, Ashley Ortega, Roxy Smith, Pamela Prinster, and Gabriel Han also attended Corso Como 88's opening. GMA Senior Vice President for Corporate Strategic Planning and Business Development, Chief Risk Officer, and Head for Program Support Reggie C. Bautista also graced the event and participated in cutting the ribbon during the luxury store's opening. Meanwhile, Kylene Alcantara is set to star in the upcoming Philippine adaptation of the well-loved Korean series Shining Inheritance, alongside Kate Valdez, Michael Sager, Paul Salas, and Miss Connie Reyes.